Let's imagine what doll makeup looks like. Miniature makeup for a small doll and giant makeup for a big doll. Do you want doll makeup of your own? Then watch our new video with mini and maxi makeup ideas. This is Sandra and her favorite doll. She loves playing with it and can spend the entire day like this and fall asleep with it. But real magic happens while Sandra is asleep. Her favorite doll comes to life, and she brings along a gift for the girl. This is giant face powder. Attach an enlarged face powder title and a logo to a lid of a big round box. Cover the edge with black acrylic paint. Let's prepare the face powder. Take some powdered sugar and add some cocoa powder. Mix it, the more cocoa, the darker the face powder, and vice versa. And put it into the box. Magic outside of Hogwarts! The doll has come to life, and with it, the face powder she has brought appears to be edible, sweet and delicious. You can eat it with a spoon straight from the container. We are not going to get hungry with this face powder. Sandra wants to arrange a photo shoot for her doll. Only a hat is missing to create a perfect image. And a cooling drink. Excellent! Now we just have to fix eyelashes. Sandra has special doll mascara. Cover a plastic tube with light clay. Shape it into a mascara tube. Take some bristles out of a spoolie brush. Cut off a piece of a plastic stick and hot glue the mini spoolie brush to the stick. Paint it black using nail polish. Cut the clay so that the cap can be taken off. Cover the visible part of the tube with black nail polish. Hot glue the spoolie brush to the cap and add a mini logo. We fix the doll's makeup. Her lashes become longer at once. Although, how can they be any longer? The doll face is so cute. I hurry up to take a picture of it with my camera. My doll should make a separate Instagram account about her everyday doll life. Sandra teaches her living doll how to walk, and it makes progress. A bit more practice, and she will be able to walk wearing high heels. Sandra tries so hard that she sweats. It's great that the doll has a mini face powder. Sandra can fix a slight makeup mishap at once. Put loose powder in a used clean eyeshadow container. Remove the excess with a Q-tip. Add a few drops of rubbing alcohol. And compact the powder with a cotton pad. Hot glue a piece of satin ribbon to a small makeup sponge and use double-sided tape to attach a label to the cap. Cut out foil to be of the same size as the container and attach it to the inside as a mirror. Put in a small powder puff. A few movements and the skin tone is perfect. The mini powder puff will get into all the hard-to-get places. And don't forget to fix the doll's makeup. She needs it too. Playing with a big living doll is way more interesting. Let's arrange a beauty salon. I just happen to have a moisturizing face mask. And there's a special mini version for a doll face. Draw a face mask silhouette on white felt. Cut it out. Cover a clean pot with nail polish and fill it with ready-made face mask. Attach a label. Put the felt mask sheet into a package and hot glue it. Put on the mask and sit back. But there is one problem. The mini mask is made for a little doll face. A living doll can only put it onto her cheek or nose. Once we moisturize the skin nicely, we move on to the makeup base. Regular one for me and a special mini version for the doll. The base can moisturize even plastic skin. Snip off the edge of a small used makeup tube and clean it. Squeeze in makeup base. Seal the cut with hot glue. Color the tube with acrylic paint. Attach a small label and cover it with clear nail polish. The doll applies the makeup base to her face. The effect is instant. The skin looks better and fresher. It is crystal clear that our doll is made of eco-friendly materials. I show the city to my doll.